In this video, we will learn about the basics of text and text formatting in PowerPoint presentations. We are using MS PowerPoint, which is included in MS Office 2021. Text formatting is a very important aspect of creating a presentation. A text formatting includes the font family, font size, color, attributes such as bold and underline, fill color, and border color. Let us start by adding a new slide to the presentation. We will take the slide, title and content with text placeholders. To enter the text, select the text placeholder and start typing. We can also go to the Insert tab and select the text box to insert a new text box in our slide where we can add our text. To format the text, first select the text that we want to format. Next, go to the Home tab. Under the font group, we will find many properties of fonts that allow us to format the text as per our liking. For example, font size makes the font size bigger or smaller. Features such as bold, italic, underline, text shadow, and strike through help to apply respective formatting to the text. For our project, we will choose the font style as Century Gothic. And set the font size to 16. We will also make the headings and dates bold. We will change the color of all the important names. To apply the same color formatting to other names, we will select the formatted text. Then, double-click on the Format Painter tool and click on all the text where we want to apply the same formatting. Let us now see the text formatting options present in the paragraph group. The paragraph group contains the following options. Numbering or bullets, to create a list using numbers or bullets. Align left, align center, align right, or justify to align the text the way we want. Line spacing, to modify space between the lines in the paragraph. Add or remove columns, to split text into columns. The text direction option in the paragraph group shows a drop-down with options such as horizontal, rotate all text 90 degrees, rotate all text 270 degrees, stacked, etc. Some more settings are available under More Options. For our project, let us select the text and apply Justify to format the text. We can also use the shortcut Ctrl+J to justify the text. Similar shortcuts are available for all alignment options. Next, we will add bullet options against the 3 key objectives of Chandrayaan-3. For this, we will first select the 3 points and click on the bullets and select a bullet option of our liking. And there you have it! Learning formatting in Microsoft PowerPoint is essential for creating professional, engaging, and effective presentations that effectively communicate your ideas, data, and messages to your audience. So, practice, experiment, and make beautiful presentations. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning.